Here's another great book that has inspired millions worldwide. You Can Win by Shiv Khera. Shiv Khera is a world-renowned motivational speaker, author, and business consultant. His book is all about how to achieve personal and professional success through positive thinking, strong character, and hard work. In You Can Win, Khera shares practical strategies and timeless principles to help you overcome challenges, develop the right mindset, and create habits that lead to long-term success. This isn't just a book full of feel-good slogans. It's a roadmap for turning your dreams into reality. In this video, we'll dive into the key principles from You Can Win, explore powerful examples, and see how you can apply these lessons to start winning in life. Let's jump in and find out how you can achieve the success you've always wanted. The first lesson Khera emphasizes is the importance of having a positive attitude. According to him, your attitude is like the foundation of a building. Everything else rests on it. A positive attitude shapes how you approach challenges, opportunities, and relationships. It's not just about being optimistic. It's about choosing to focus on the possibilities instead of the limitations. Khera shares a story about two bricklayers working on the same construction project. When asked what they were doing, one bricklayer replied, "I'm just laying bricks." The other smiled and said, "I'm building a cathedral." Both men were doing the exact same job, but their attitudes made all the difference. The second bricklayer had a sense of purpose. He saw the bigger picture and felt pride in his work. The first bricklayer, on the other hand, saw his job as tedious and unimportant. This simple shift in attitude had a huge impact on how they experienced their work. In our lives, how often do we focus only on the task at hand, forgetting the larger goals or purposes behind it? Khera teaches that by choosing a positive attitude, we can turn even the most mundane tasks into meaningful actions that contribute to something greater. In your daily life, think about how you view the things you do. Are you laying bricks, or are you building your own cathedral? By shifting your perspective, you can find meaning and motivation in everything you do, whether it's at work, in your relationships, or in your personal development. A positive attitude opens doors to growth and success, while a negative attitude holds you back. Khera explains that self-confidence is a cornerstone of success. Without confidence, even the most talented people may hold themselves back from reaching their potential. But here's the important thing. Confidence isn't something that just magically appears. It comes from taking action and building belief in your own abilities. One of Khera's most powerful metaphors for self-confidence is the story of the elephant and the rope. Imagine a huge, powerful elephant tied to a small stake in the ground with a thin rope. Despite its strength, the elephant doesn't try to break free. Why? Because when it was young, it was tied with the same rope, and back then, it wasn't strong enough to break it. Over time, the elephant became conditioned to believe that it couldn't escape, even though it had grown much stronger. This is exactly what happens to many of us. We're held back by limiting beliefs that we've carried with us since childhood or early experiences. These beliefs keep us from realizing our full potential. Khera encourages us to challenge those limiting beliefs. Just like the elephant, we are often much stronger and more capable than we think. But to break free from those mental ropes, we have to take action and prove to ourselves that we can do more. What's the rope that's holding you back in your life? Is it fear of failure, self-doubt, or a limiting belief that you're not good enough? Start by taking small steps to challenge those beliefs. Whether it's speaking up in a meeting, applying for a new job, or learning a new skill, every small action builds confidence. And as Khera says, action breeds confidence, and confidence leads to success. In You Can Win, Khera emphasizes that success is built on a foundation of strong character. Skills and talent might get you ahead for a while, but it's your integrity, honesty, and work ethic that will sustain long-term success. Khera warns against taking shortcuts or compromising your values, even when it seems tempting. True success comes from living by principles that you can be proud of. Khera tells the story of an entrepreneur who faced many opportunities to cut corners in his business. Early on, the entrepreneur was tempted to inflate numbers or promise more than he could deliver in order to win clients. But he knew that these shortcuts would undermine his integrity in the long run. Instead, he stayed true to his values, delivering honest, reliable work, even if it meant growing more slowly. Over time, his reputation for honesty and integrity earned him trust with his clients and partners, and his business thrived. People knew they could count on him, and that trust became the foundation of his success. Khera's message is clear. It's easy to take shortcuts, but real success is built on character. Your integrity is your most valuable asset, and once lost, it's hard to regain. Think about the decisions you make in your own life. Are you staying true to your values even when no one is watching? Are you doing the right thing even when it's difficult? Remember, your character is the foundation of your success. By building a reputation for integrity and reliability, you'll create lasting relationships and opportunities that go far beyond quick wins. Another key principle in You Can Win is the importance of setting clear, actionable goals. Khera believes that success doesn't happen by accident. It's the result of planning and deliberate action. He compares having goals to having a map. Without clear goals, you're like a ship without a rudder, drifting aimlessly through life. Khera shares a story about a young man who felt lost and unmotivated in his career. He was working hard, but he didn't know what he was working toward. After reading You Can Win, he decided to write down his goals. He started with simple, specific goals like get promoted within the next year and save enough money for a down payment on a house. By writing these goals down and breaking them into smaller steps, he created a roadmap for his life. Within a year, he not only got the promotion but also started saving for his home. The act of setting clear, achievable goals transformed his outlook and gave him direction. Khera teaches that when you set goals, you give yourself something to aim for. The clearer and more specific the goals, the easier it is to take the right actions to achieve them. Take a moment to think about what you really want to achieve in the next year or two. What are your personal and professional goals? Write them down and make them specific. Instead of saying, I want to get fit, set a goal like, I will work out for 30 minutes, 5 days a week. Break it down into actionable steps and start working toward those goals today. As Khera reminds us, winners don't do different things, they do things differently. Khera explains that obstacles are inevitable on the path to success. What separates winners from losers is how they handle these obstacles. Winners see challenges as opportunities to learn and grow, while others give up when the going gets tough. Resilience is key to winning in life. Khera shares the story of a businessman who faced multiple setbacks early in his career. His first business failed due to poor planning, and his second attempt didn't fare much better. Instead of giving up, he used each failure as a learning experience. He analyzed what went wrong, adjusted his strategies, and kept moving forward. By his third business venture, he had developed the resilience, knowledge, and skills he needed to succeed. Today, he runs a thriving company. Khera uses this example to show that failure isn't the end. It's a stepping stone toward success. The road to success is rarely smooth, but each obstacle is an opportunity to grow stronger and wiser. By learning from your mistakes, you build resilience and the ability to bounce back even stronger. Think about a time when you faced a setback. Did you see it as a failure or as an opportunity to learn? Khera encourages us to embrace obstacles as part of the journey. Instead of giving up, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? Use the lessons to come back stronger and more prepared for future challenges. One of the central themes in You Can Win is the law of karma. What you sow, you reap. Khera explains that the actions you take today will shape the results you see tomorrow. If you invest in hard work, honesty, and perseverance, you'll eventually see the rewards. If you take shortcuts or neglect your responsibilities, the results will reflect those choices. Khera compares success to planting a garden. Imagine a farmer who plants seeds every day, waters them, and cares for them consistently. Over time, those seeds grow into healthy crops, providing food and sustenance. On the other hand, If the farmer neglects the seeds, they wither and die, yielding nothing. Khera uses this analogy to explain that our daily actions, whether in our career, relationships, or personal development, are like seeds. The more you invest in positive actions, the more likely you are to reap success in the future. Think about the seeds you're planting today. Are you putting in the effort to develop yourself, build relationships, and work toward your goals? Remember, the actions you take today will shape the future you experience. As Khera says, what you sow, you reap. So make sure you're sowing seeds that will lead to a future of success. One of Khera's final lessons in You Can Win is that personal development is a lifelong journey. Success isn't just about reaching a specific goal. It's about constantly improving, learning, and growing as a person. Winners are lifelong learners, always seeking ways to better themselves. Khera tells the story of a successful CEO who, despite his achievements, never stopped learning. He attended seminars, read books, and sought out mentors to keep improving his skills and knowledge. Khera explains that this commitment to personal growth is what separates true winners from those who simply achieve temporary success. It's not enough to reach a goal and stop. Winners keep pushing themselves to reach new heights. No matter where you are in life, there's always room for growth. Whether it's reading, attending workshops, or learning a new skill, invest in your own development. Personal growth doesn't stop when you achieve one success. It's a lifelong process of becoming the best version of yourself. Shiv Khera's You Can Win is filled with timeless principles for success. From developing a positive attitude and building self-confidence to setting clear goals and overcoming obstacles, these lessons can transform the way you approach life. Remember, success is not about luck. It's about the choices you make every day. By applying these principles, you can build the habits and mindset you need to achieve your goals and win in life. If you found this video inspiring and want to learn more about personal development and success, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give this video a thumbs up and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching, and remember, success is within your reach. You can win, and it all starts with you.